This video is going to help you with the difference between test and text. For some students, these two words sound virtually the same, but there is one important difference, the K sound. K. The word test ends in ST, st, st. Test, test, but text ends with KST, 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 text. To make the X sound, focus on making a K before the S. You can pronounce them separately and then join them together. K, s, k, s, k, s, ks, ks. And finally, add the T. Kst, 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 kst. With a bit of practice, text will no longer sound like test. You can also hear this difference in nest and next. If you found this video useful, make sure to save it so you can practice it later. To make lasting pronunciation progress, it's important to practice little and often. See you in the next lesson.